Good morning to all. This is for class 5th MSc. Class 5th, today we are going to start our chapter number 3, that is I Love All. Ajay and his father were watching a story on a computer. An old father and his young son were on the screen. They were sitting in front of their lawn. Suddenly, the old man noticed something in the green lawn. So Ajay and his father, they both were watching a story on a computer. What was the story? They are seeing that an old father and a young son, they were on the screen, and they are sitting in front of their home. Then there something the old man noticed in that green lawn. So he asked, "What is that, my son?" He asked. "That's a sparrow." The son replied and continued his newspaper reading. After some time, the old man asked again, "What is that?" Means, once he asked, "Son, what is that?" Son replied, "That is sparrow." Then son start continuously reading his newspaper. Then again after few minutes, again the father asked, "Son, what is that?" Then what son said? "I just told you it is a sparrow." The son was getting irritated. Now the son start getting irritated. The man again asked after some time, "What is that?" Again after few minutes later, the old man again asked, "Son, what is that?" Then son replied, "What nonsense! That is a sparrow." "Did you understand?" he said in an angry mood. Now son became very angry because his father was asking again and again the same thing, the same question. What is that? What is that? Now the old man did not say anything. He went inside and came out with a diary. He marked a page in it and gave it to his son. The son went through the lines of that page, which were written 28 years ago. When he saw that his son started getting angry, the father did not say anything. He just went inside the room and he bought a diary which he had written 28 years ago, and asked his son to read that diary. What was written in that diary? "Today morning, my little Anil, 2.5-year-old, saw a sparrow perching in the yard. He was astonished to see such a creature. He asked what it was. I replied it was a sparrow. He repeated his question 30 times. And I replied all the 30 times that it is a sparrow." So it was written in that diary that my son Anil now become 2.5-year-old, and he saw a weird creature and he was astonished and he was asking that what is it. Then I replied it is sparrow, and he asked the same question 30 times, and all the 30 times I replied the answer without getting any anger. The son could not continue reading. He embraced his old father lovingly. Now the son stopped reading and he felt very loving towards his father. "Dad, I am so lucky to have parents and grandparents," said Ajay. Now Ajay said that, "Dad, I am very much lucky that I have my parents and my grandparents." "Yes, sure. Grandparents are the blessing to all of us. We have a lot of things to learn from them. The book of all religion teach us to respect elders. We listen to the voice of the God through these books. Gray hair is the crown of the glory." Now his dad said, "Yes, it is really a thing of blessing that we have parents and grandparents. And the book of all the religion also teaches us that we all should respect our elders. And also, the parents and grandparents give us more knowledge. They teach us about new things. Some students of my class don't like their grandpa and grandma. They say that they are useless. Now Anil said that father, in my class there are some students who do not like their grandpa and grandma. Instead of respecting them, they used to say that they are useless. That is a wrong way of thinking. The cultureless people speak like this. Now his father replied that one should not think like this. This is wrong way of thinking. The one who is not having good culture will speak like this. Do you want to know what Kofi Annan, the former president of UNO, speak about them? Now his father start giving him more knowledge. That do you know about Kofi Annan, who was the former president of UNO? What he speak? He said, a society for all ages is one that honors traditional elder in their leadership. Thank you, Dad. It is you who taught me to love my grandparents. I know how much you love me. You are always with me to help and guide me. You correct me whenever I go wrong. Dad, I love you so much. Ajay embraced his dad. Now Ajay said that, Dad, you are really very helpful to me. You guide me whenever I am going wrong. You always there to help me out. So I love you very much, Dad. And I am very lucky to have parents and grandparents also. Now it is you only who explain me the importance of having grandparents. Now Ajay's father further explained, Ajay, you should love and respect everybody at home. Do you know how much your mama loves you? Yes, Dad, I know. She carried me 9 months, forgetting all her comfort. She took care of me since my birth. She nursed me and stayed close to me when I was sick, and so on. She does all these things because she loved me very much. Now his father explained that why. So she is doing all these things. Why? Because she really loves me. Very good. You remember everything. Your mother gets up early in the morning and does a lot of work. She spends quality time with you and teach you. She sleeps late at night. Did you ever thank your mama for the wonderful work she is doing? Then Ajay's father said, yes, very good that you remember each and everything. But more she is doing, what she is doing, she is getting up early for you only. She is doing a lot of work for you only. And after that, she also used to spend her quality time and teaches you more things, more good things. Then she sleep late at night. So are you thanking your mom for these wonderful works that she is doing? Then Ajay said, yes, Papa, I will surely do. So every day you must thank God for the gift of your grandparents, parents, and your little brother. Dad, I love my little brother very much, but sometimes he threw my book and take my pencil box. He also come to fight with me. Then on this, Ajay said that I really like my little brother and I love him a lot, but sometimes he do such type of things that I am getting angry. What things he used to do? He used to take my pencil box sometimes. He used to throw my books. And sometimes even he used to come to fight with me. So all these things he is doing, then I am getting angry. Otherwise, I really love my little brother very much. Then his father replied, that's true. He is your younger brother. As he is small, he does not know what to do with your books and pencil box. Actually, He came to you not to fight, but to love. I will tell you one more story. Now Ajay's father replied that he is small, he don't know what to do with the pencil box or with the books. But if you talk about fighting, then he come there to love you, not to fight with you. On this, let me tell you a small story. Then Ajay's father started telling him the story. The beautiful drawing prayer hand is the best known work of the great German artist and mathematician Albert Dürer. Now a painting named as Praying Hands. It is a painting of great German artist and mathematician. His name was Albert Dürer. One widely accepted version of why he made such a drawing is that Albert and his brother Albert wished to study art, but this was impossible because their family of 18 children were very poor. They both agreed to toss a coin. The loser of the toss would work in the mine to support the winner in his studies. There is a small story behind this painting. See, the picture of the painting is given in your book. This is the picture. So his father is explaining about this painting, that this painting was made by Albert Dürer, and there is a small story behind this painting. And what is that story? That Albert and his brother wished to study art, but since they belongs to a poor family, so it was impossible for both of them to learn art in the same college. On this occasion, they tossed. The loser of the toss would work in the mine to support the winner in his studies. That means the one who is going to win will study art, and the loser will do the work in mines. Now the winner would then become a successful artist and assist the other brother to study art on his turn. However, Albert's work in the mine, which had allowed Albert to study art, destroyed his hand and made it impossible for him to ever paint again. Both of them cried bitterly. Then, with the tears in his eyes, Albert drew the hands of Albert to pay homage to him and to make those hands be ever remembered. Both of them cried again. Now, the one of the brother became the famous artist, and now he decided to help his brother in order to study art. But Albert lost his hands, means he got some type of injury due to which he cannot draw the art properly. So he lost his hand by working in the mine. By seeing this, his brother started crying, and then he decided to help his brother to pay the homage and make those hands be ever remembered. Because of his brother only he studied art, and that is why on the remembrance of his brother's hand he made this type of painting. Now both of them cried again. Thank you, Dad. It was a wonderful day. You taught me many good things. Next Saturday let us go to park, then I will get plenty of time to play with my little brother. Now Ajay said, Dad, I want to thank you. Really, you had given me lot of good knowledge. Next Saturday I will go to the park with my little brother and I will spend plenty of time with him, so that I could show him that how much I love him. So this was the story, and the question answers I will provide you in next video.